So when you create a VLAN, you clearly see that there will be some kind of um, demarcation within your network. But example, what we have in this diagram, clearly see that some of the VLANs are on this switch and some of them are in this switch. So even though some ports, sorry, some of the ports in this particular VLAN are on this switch and some of them are in this switch, because they are connected switches, all of them will be in the same network, VLAN one. So when you it's like saying you have two buildings and you have a bridge that's connected to this building. So you own this whole estate. And so technically, this room, this room, this room are all yours. So you can say that, okay, I'll keep some of this room for myself. This will be for me and this will be for me. So basically, you can have some of the ports on this switch because they are switches, some of the ports on this switch and some of the ports on this switch to be in the same VLAN. At the same time, some of the ports on this switch and this switch will be also in a different VLAN. And so clearly you can see that you have two VLANs, VLAN 5 and VLAN 3 spanning two different devices. It doesn't really matter. So far as you have, we'll see what we'll do, but so far as you have a mechanism to go, like a bridge to get onto that device, it's fine and it's workable. You can also do that as well. And so here we have the same broadcast domain spanning two different switches.